Okay, guys, well, this is probably going to be my last window that I display. I have already showed you some Christmas windows, Halloween windows, Valentine windows, and I wanted to share what I have learned throughout the years from my experience on how to paint windows and earn some extra money. And I hope you guys are able to take what I've learned. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I tried putting as much information as I could on my Halloween window painting tutorials, and if you go to my playlist, you can find it there. So let me know if this was helpful, and I'll let you just watch. There's not much to say. For full tutorial, like I said, just go to my Halloween window playlist and learn how to go do some windows. And just to basically summarize what we've gone through is getting your supplies ready if you're going to do this for a living or just for fun and do your home windows. I would suggest just buying small amounts of paint and maybe purchasing some quarts of paint instead of gallons of paint. If you're going to do it just for your window, I would suggest just getting the samples from like Home Depot or Lowe's and just use those. But on my Halloween playlist, I do have the supplies tutorial number 7, and it'll tell you what exactly you need. It's more into detail. But anyhow, just to summarize, there's 3 steps. Once you've gotten your supplies and everything ready, make sure you protect your vehicle. Put a tarp in there or something, to, make sure that you don't get any paint, because you know that paint can get messy. And when you least expect it, you'll get a drip here or a drip there, even if you're being careful. But to summarize, okay, it's basically 3 steps. Applying your base, like I have already right now, and then applying the color, step 2, and then applying your outline, step 3. And the outline is going to consist of both the black outline and the white outline, and you can't really skip your white outline because that is what makes it pop. And then of course, once you've done your black outline and so forth, now you can start kind of putting little sparkles of highlights here and there, unless you've done it throughout the process of your painting. But anyhow, so just so that you can get this little glimpse for the last time here, I may periodically pop in and throw a window painting video of some window art, because this is basically what I do for a living, and I have still not completely eliminated my holiday window painting. I'm still kind of transitioning, going from this here that I've been doing for about 30 years and going off into my canvas art paintings. So I did something simple here so that you can just pick up something to go out and do. Basic eggs, bunnies, so simple that a youngster can do it. So keep it simple on your first time when you go out there, and then as you go along, you are able to do a little more and get a little more extravagant on your window art. But anyhow, just briefly on the rolling, I wanted to put this on real time so that you could see that you do have to kind of go slow, because if not, you will be splashing paint, on the windowsills, on the door, on the cement, and you don't want to do that. So be aware of that. As you go along, you're also going to pick up little pointers. If you notice here, I turn my roller around and I basically paint with my roller. You can draw out your design first with some watered down paint using a round brush. So anyhow, I'm just going to let you enjoy the video so that you can feel a little more comfortable. And I am going to put it on time lapse, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. Okay, and I just wanted to show you how I carry my 2 colors. I'm going to put some highlight green on there, fluorescent green. and just to make the grass pop, because just one color without any dimension, it'll look flat. And so I'm just painting some grass going up into the eggs so they can look like they're sitting on the grass. I'll be including the episode 7 tutorial on the Halloween window painting at the end cap so that you can go straight to it. And I'm going to put some music on for you. Okay, and there it is done. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you go out and do some windows.